Hey y'all, like I say, we steady moving, steady going. Hey, you got some pretty color coordination going on here, bruh. Where'd you get these fancy ones right here, man?
Mikey Fabworks.
Mikey Fabworks, huh?
Yeah.
So that's a whole bolt kit you can buy through them?
Yeah. They're called Chanchos.
Chanchos.
Yeah, they come in an array of colors, gold, blue, any color you want, the color matching.
Okay. So I see we got the extended neck area here going here.
Yes,
you got your 26 in the front. So are we on air ride in the front, or this
yes,
is the
sir.
so
it
it can't come up and down?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's got a center mount.
Oh, I see that the center stands right there. You got to show me how to operate that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, those aren't even spokes. Those are forged wheels that look like spokes. Oh, y'all see that there? Hey, I'm just letting y'all see what I see. I got a question.
Yes, sir.
What brings you to Money's Car Stereo, man? How'd you find me?
On Instagram, my brother shot me one of your posts, and I've been around looking for someone that can duplicate the sound, and all I hear is good things, and I'm tired of taking it to different stereo shops and then claiming, hey, I can get this sound, this sound, this sound.
Yeah. Okay. And we had a conversation on the phone a few days back, and you told me what did you have in your closet?
2 6x9 Pioneers.
TSD 6902. He already has 2 in the bag, but he said he had 2 more. And so I said, what? I said, you need to bring me that, and we can do some things for you. As you see, he's running a Fosgate setup here, you guys, and he's got the TSD in the back, but I got some things to make it more better. And
The other stereo shop, they did a clean job. They did me right.
Yeah.
But I want to take it to the next level.
Okay, so you were sounding, but you really wasn't sounding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I want to take it to the next level.
Okay, so we're gonna take it to the next level. Oh, question. What is this?
That's pressure gauge.
Oh, okay.
So how much I'm doing.
Okay.
You see my gauges.
Yeah, I see that.
Custom.
So, that's an overlay. Okay.
Gauges.
Oh, okay. You got your skulls and whatnot and going through there. Okay, that's a good look. All right, y'all. I'm just letting y'all see what I see, and we're gonna get him off the truck, and me and him are gonna discuss what we need to do, and we'll get back with you. Gotta go, Money's Car Stereo. So we looking at our max height right here, or can we get up higher?
Oh yeah, we can get up higher.
Because we what I'm saying, you're gonna bottom out as soon as we go off the back. So I'm gonna get another ramp to make. I'm gonna stick the ramp on top of that ramp. So that's your max height right there. You thinking it's on?
I can go up higher.
Take it up higher. You gonna bottom out. I can see that happening. As soon as you go down, your center stand area is gonna hit. Looks like.
Did it bottom out on the way up?
No.
How on a normal street?
It might be all right now.
On a normal street, or was you dipped into the driveway?
No, I was in the driveway.
So you was in the driveway gutter. You were on the side of the house. You was like in the gutter right here into the driveway. I mean, like. You was like in the dip.
My driveway.
In the dip, or yeah.
No,
So
no.
you was
Flat surface.
So you think you're good? If you're good, you're good. You know, your battery didn't died on you. Yeah, that's dead. Okay, well, I'm gonna watch it. Go slow. Okay, drag the front brake. Oh, I see what's going on. You like you're gonna clear. Okay. I was ready to be safe than sorry.
No, definitely.
Okay. That right there cleared you. Okay. Because if I wouldn't have stood on it, it wanted to stand back up.
Somebody owed me $40. I touched it.
You touched it. Okay.
Going all the way there?
Now we're gonna go right here. 'Cause I'm gonna charge it up where it stands, and I can ride it to the back. 'Cause I'm gonna have to ride it to the front. Never mind. We'll just go right to the back with it. Oh no, let's stay right here.
However you want.
We're gonna set it right here for the moment, and I'm gonna bring the charger out, bring it up to life. Hey, got the big wheeler in the house now. Gonna do some upgrades. He has some 6902s. We're gonna add a second set in the front half of the bag. Gonna turn this into a 2.0. Put some newer speakers up front. He supplied most of the items we discussed it, so you know. One thing I do not like, his battery sucks. When you put a big system on your motorcycle, you gotta make sure your charging system is up to par. Right now, well, you see it's on the charger over there. So it did jump when it first got here from being sitting on the back of the truck the whole time. But our goal is to get him on. And so, yeah, we're gonna go ahead, let him sit on the charger. I'm not gonna walk away from the charger and leave the bike sitting in here with the charger on it. But that's all I can say about that. Hopefully his battery is good and operates the way it's supposed to operate. But besides that, we're gonna work with the Fosgate lid. Well, we got to toys with that. We're gonna work with the speaker. We're gonna enhance it with some other stuff next to it, and then we're going to add some more boom to the box. That's right. And keep it pushing. Got the little knife in case somebody need to get cut. Hey, you never know. Pop them open. Ooh, yeah, you're gonna get hurt with that. Yeah, keep that right there. In fact, wipe my fingerprints off of that. But anyway, yeah, Money's Car Stereo. We're gonna stop for the night because we got some other stuff we need to take care of. It's Sunday anyway, so I just wanted to get it in because it just got here. And get the Road King up out of here. Gotta go. Just been messing around with it little by little. Been on this all day. Got a little bitty sound today.
Been in the hell, been up in that cell, too cold to finish, better not tell. Water in the vision bowl, yeah, you know the smell. Picking up the wave set, yeah, you know the scale. Even got a scams on it, yeah, you know the braille. Hands put the dogs on it, smelling like a square.
Well, we're gonna do some tidying up in the bags, clean up some stuff inside of here. The famous 6902 is in full effect on extended bags. I'm telling you, they're the truth as far as 6x9s go. We over here on the 26 big wheel style. You know, we're gonna take him outside tomorrow. We're gonna do a little more cleaning up. We'll take him outside tomorrow, adjust him, get ready for the next one, I guess. This one will be done tomorrow evening, most likely. I tripped, he even got a new reverse camera up in here. Wonder how he activate that. Well, anyway, gotta go. Good night. End it with this. When you're hooking up a Sony 7000, it's very important that you make both USB cables extended, because one controls off the phone, which will give you your navigation. The other one is just a USB. When I got here before, there was only one USB here, and the second one that went to the iPhone was out of place. What if this man has an iPhone? What if he wants navigation to work? Hey, it is what it is. Well, the problem is solved. I put a blue one to easy identify it from there to there. USB extension. And can't wait to check it out tomorrow and see what's going on. But until then,
So I can boast that hope and make my ex mad. I need me a bitch. Ain't no need to lie. I need me a bitch. So when I do something, she be my alibi. I need me a bitch. Like I need a 6'4". I need me a